Introducing Scentsy's 2021 Summer Collection, available while supplies last, starting May 10th between 9:30 and 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Check it out. First up, our oh so cute Buddy Clip 3-pack, Queen the Pineapple, Lula the Avocado, and Juicy the Berry. These are entirely brand new items, new porcelain scented bracelets in coconut daiquiri and blue agave and melon. We have multiple new fragrances for our body line, Fiji Flower for our laundry line, mandarin and mango nectar for our clean items, and then multiple fragrances for our wax, our circles, our pods, and our fragrance flowers in blue agave and melon, coconut daiquiri, Fiji Flower, and mandarin and mango nectar. Check out the beautiful Mandala mason jar warmer at $50, the pink palm warmer at $45, and the beautiful sparkly glitter teal warmer for $20. A brand new 3-pack of essential oils for $18. Beach Mode introduces Bikini Martini, Sandal Season, and Totally Tropical, featured in a giftable tin. All of these items are available while supplies last, starting May 10th. Be sure to check out the description of this video so you can read the description of each wax scent and essential oil, etc. Like what you see? Quit paying retail. We have a $20 join special while supplies last in May. You could get paid on all of your purchases as well as host a party and get paid on it, as well as get all the goodies from hosting. Contact me today and let's chat. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.